In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks as a self-employed driver. By the end, you'll know how to bring your banking into QuickBooks, record your rideshare income properly, capture platform fees, and get help right when you need it. First, open QuickBooks in your browser and sign into your account. Think of the home page as your command center. From here, head to the bank transactions area. This is where your business money movement lives, and it's the fastest way to keep your records accurate without manual data entry. Next, link the bank account where your rideshare earnings are deposited. Choose Link Account, search for your bank, and follow the prompts to connect securely. Pick the checking account that actually receives your payouts. If you're offered a date range, include enough recent history to capture the last few months of activity. Once connected, your transactions will start flowing in so you can review and categorize them instead of typing everything by hand. Now, let's record your earnings the right way. Open the Create menu and choose Sales Receipt. A sales receipt is perfect for money you've already earned and received, like weekly rideshare payouts. Add a clear description such as trip earnings, select the date of the payout, and set the deposit to field to the same bank account you just linked. If you like, you can create a customer called rideshare platform to keep things tidy, but the key is that the receipt reflects the income that hit your bank. Save it, and your income will show up in your books and match to what you see in banking. Fees need to be captured too. Open. Create again and select Expense. Choose the payee as your rideshare platform. Set the payment account to your business bank and categorize it to something like fees or commissions. In the description, note which payout the fee relates to and use the same date range as the earning for clean matching. Save the expense so your profit reflects earnings minus platform fees. If you have statements or screenshots, attaching them helps maintain solid records. Anytime you get stuck, click the help icon and use the search bar. Type short phrases like bank transactions, sales receipt, or record fees to find step-by-step articles and guided help. You can also launch in-product tools from there if you want extra assistance. That's it. Connect your bank, record your payouts with a sales receipt, log the related fees as expenses, and lean on the help search whenever you need clarity. Keep this routine consistent, and closing your books as a self-employed driver becomes quick, accurate, and stress-free.